Hello and welcome to Just the Chords. Today we are going to look at a chord tutorial for I Knew It, I Knew You by Taylor Swift, the single for Toy Story 5. I'm loving it. I'm having so much fun with it. Let's have fun with it together. First, we will learn the chords individually that we need to know for this song, and then we will put it into the patterns we need for verses, choruses, bridges, and then we'll try and do some walkthrough tutorial of all of that together authentically in real time. Start with the chord C, C, E, G. And often, as you'll see me get to, I'm going to be using my left hand, I'm going to be adding a C root, or two. To fill out the textures we go. C major. Second chord in here we need F major. F, A, C. Love that F major. When we come to that from the C major, they share some chord tones, right? Like that C. So then I can still get my F, A, C, but that was a much closer jump from C to F. So keep that in mind. Or if you like doing the block chord jump, I like it too. Sometimes I do that. Next chord we need E minor, E, G, B. Minor chord, right? So we get this darker sound. E, G, B, all white keys. E minor. We will then need a G major at times. G, B, D. G major, G, B, D, all white keys. We're gonna throw in a B flat, D, F at times. B flat, D, F chord. The next chord we need is A minor, A, C, E. A minor, A, C, E. We're then going to do an A7. This will need 4 notes to it. A, C sharp, E, G. That's the 7 of the chord. A, C sharp, E, G. Lovely A7. We'll take that into a D minor, D, F, A. Minor key, minor sound, minor chord. All white keys, D, F, A for the D minor. And that is all of our chords. Woo! Let's see the order of some of those chords in our actual parts of the song, like the verse. We start with a C major. I knew. Then we go to F major. You. Back to C. And then, like I said, sometimes going to that F, we could do the easier hand move. Keep that C in the thumb, but go to C, F, A. We call that an inversion. All right, that's an inversion of the F chord because we brought the C down, but it's still the same notes. Then we'll often, after that C to F in the verse, have this little climb up from E minor to F to G. Fun little climb up. Try that with me again. E minor, F major, G. Very nice. We'll go back to a C, still in the verse pattern. And then now we're gonna kind of try out some of these new chords. We'll go to a B flat major, B flat, D, F, to an A minor, A, C, E, to an A major 7. That's when we needed the 4 notes. C went up to sharp. Then we added the G, A7. And then go to our D minor. And end the verse pattern on a G major. Once again, I'm going to invert this G. Spell it G, B, D down at the bottom. And that is the verse pattern. Try that again slowly, chord to chord. There are a lot of them. The chorus is so much simpler. Just 2 chords, C and F. We start on the C in the chorus. Then we go right to the F. Back to the C. Back to the F. C. Added the left hand. Then F. And that continues that pattern right into the verse. So smooth, so nice. The only time things change is the bridge. And the bridge pattern is just the second half, the back half of the verse pattern we already learned. So on the bridge, we start on that B flat major. We We go to the A minor, A7, to D minor, and then end on that G. Back to the chorus. Yeah. Let's walk through some bigger parts of this song as a whole now. We start on C. I knew you. F. Da 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 C. To the F. E. G. That walk up back to C. Down to B flat major. A minor. A7. D minor. Now to G. Chorus. I see. Came back when I mattered. Da 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 da. Back and forth. Woo! I knew it, I knew ya. Right into the verse. To I knew you. All your blues like a you did too. Here's the walk up. E, F, G, C. Here's the different part. B flat, A minor, A major, 7, D. And then we go to G chorus. I remember I came back when it mattered. I standing there in the light of the post chorus. A couple more I knew you. One more I knew you. Then we add this walk up. E, F, G, bridge. A minor, A7, D minor. Chorus, keep it tiny. Now it's a little more groovy. Check this walk out. F, C inversion D. But I knew you. I knew it, I knew you. A lot of these. But we end on C major ending. Go back, watch it again, slow it down. Keep practicing with me, all right? Practice makes better. I'll see you on the next video. Like and subscribe. Play on.